This video shows an EZCM user how to add, edit, and manage a Dail Report document. At the module screen, tap the plus sign next to Dail Report. If you tagged a favorite star with the letter D in project settings to set the default contract for a Dail Report, then everything will be pre-filled when you add a Dail Report. Otherwise, use the contractor lookup to assign it. When the information is complete, tap Add a Dail Report. After the first Dail Report is added and completed, the balance of the Dail Report should be added to the database by using the Generate function. Having the Dail Report on your mobile device allows you to enter data throughout the day, like entering the crews by a subcontractor as you talk with their super, or the equipment on the project, or adding events as they happen. So I recommend that you create each day's Dail Report the first thing in the morning. Then you can add items to the Dail Report segments as they happen and where they happen on your mobile device. Enter information in the Work Activity area by tapping on the pencil icon to activate this text box to the edit mode. Use the voice-to-text microphone on your keyboard or physically use the device's keyboard to enter the work activity for today as it happens. Again, this information is added quickly using voice-to-text. Then tap Save. Do the same in the additional comments area. If you want to link this Dail Report to an issue, tap the Link Issue button and select the issue, and then tap Done. Enter the weather information for each period at or near the current time period. Do this by tapping Weather, select the designated period, and tap Edit. Adding equipment, field force, visitors, and deliveries items are done by tapping the Actions button and then selecting the item you want to add. Let's add field force. First, tap on the field force, then use the source lookup to select a company that's on the project. If you use the favorite star to add the active companies to your favorites list, their names will be on the favorites tab. Otherwise, tap All. Then enter the number of personnel by craft and the hours worked. If you want to make any comments, use the remarks area. When you tap Save, you will be asked if you would like to add another company. If not, choose No. The equipment, visitors, and deliveries are added using the similar method. The blue buttons at the top are used to review the equipment, field force, and deliveries that are already added to this Dail Report. If there are none, you will get a message. Adding the weather is just a little different. From the main Dail Report screen, tap Weather. Then tap the time period you want to report the current weather. Tap Edit and use the lookups to record each item. The time and the preset duration needs to be entered manually into the text cell. When finished, tap Save. Even though the weather data you've entered has now been saved back to the contract management database, don't be concerned if you don't see it on your mobile device. It won't appear until after you've gone back to the module screen and refreshed the Dail Report. Now you are finished with today's Dail Report. The first thing in the morning the next day, generate today's Dail Report. This is done by opening up yesterday's Dail Report, then select the Actions button and tap Generate Dail Report. You will need to do two things before tapping Add Dail Report. First, review the Dail Report date. This defaults to today's date. And second, manually increment the Dail Report number by 1, and then tap Add Dail Report. When generating the next day's Dail Report, you will be given a list of checkboxes of field force and equipment, and a checkbox of work activity and additional comments. All of the boxes will be checked by default. You will need to manually uncheck any items you do not want to have copied over into this Dail Report. Once you finish with the checkboxes, tap Generate and you're ready for today.